So this is about JDKs. Now let us quickly understand what is a static content and dynamic web content. So static content, it is just like, predefined files sent to the client exactly are stored on the server. So what is it? Just now we have seen TCS web page, right? So it will be mostly in the form of .html, .css, .js, JavaScript, JPGs, PNGs, PDFs. So these all files are the examples of static content. So this will not change. Like, it will be a static website. That's all. That is static content. And what is its behavior? It does not change unless manually it is modified by the developer. Okay. So unless and until developer does some changes, it will not get changed. So it is not dynamic. So what is the server role? It is web server, like Apache HTTP or Nginx. You can simply copy the files on the server and it delivers the file to the client. So processing, no server-side processing, no logic, no database calls, nothing. So simply the client asks for something and it will be sent by the server. So because of no processing, no server-side processing, its performance is very fast. Minimal server resources needed. Use cases like simply style sheets or static documentation or landing page. Landing pages, welcome page or login page. These are static web content. And dynamic web content. It is a content generated in real time based on server-side logic. So basically, ASP, PHP, ASP, JSPX, Python with frameworks. So what is the behavior? Changes based on user input, session data, or database responses. So this is the behavior, right? Server requires usually this dynamic web content, it requires an application server, not web server, like Apache Tomcat, WebLogic, WebSphere, Jboss. So it includes code execution and generate HTML. So server-side logic, database queries, business rules, all these are processed when you are working on dynamic web content. But on static, it is not, right? And performance compared to web server, it is slower because it does all these processing, but very powerful with lots of features. So login forms, dashboards, e-commerce websites, CMS systems, and search results. These all are real-time data. So this is where the dynamic web applications are used.